GM everyone, join me as I unbox my package and set up my home trading studio. So these are the items I want to use. Here is the chair stand. I had to unwrap it from the package, from the box, and here I was trying to fix the chair roller to the seat stand. So here I already fixed it, and I was unwrapping the chair seats from the box. I have to like assemble the equipment together, and I had to fix it on the seat stand, and it was a perfect match. I already fixed it on the chair stand, and I had to fix the chair back seat rest. So yeah, it gave me a lot of tough time, but yeah, I finally got it, and I was able to set it. Yeah, I was checking, I was feeling myself like, okay, yeah, yeah, I get this. So this is the table. I was unboxing the table from the carton. Yeah, I had to follow the manual and set it up. Yeah, I was screwing the chair stand to it. Yeah, I had to check, and then I followed the instruction, and I was able to fix it. So the next thing I did there was to install the gaming light that comes with the gaming table. So yeah, I screwed it with the screw. So when I'm done with that, I had to unbox my laptop and my monitor. So here is me trying to unbox my laptop, my MacBook Air. So once I'm done with that, I also set up the keyboard. I connected it with laptop, and here I was checking what comes with the laptop. It's a new laptop, and I have to check it. So yeah, I was unboxing the monitor, and this monitor did not really give me a big issue. It went on smoothly. It was easy to set. So yeah, I was done fixing everything. I had to add some accessories to make it look good, like the keyboard light, the phone stand, the hourly glass time, and the LED light time, and so on. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, comment, and repost. And don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms like Twitter, TikTok, Twitch, and so on at Mohammed underscore NFT. Thank you very much for participating.